चिकूला काय म्हणतात इंग्लिश मध्ये? सॉरी, कट. Hey guys, yesterday I posted on Facebook about the grapes and all the bunch of grapes. So yesterday my friend called me and he has just randomly came over here to want that grapes, and his name is Chandan. You can see him.
Hi.
He's an entrepreneur. He's running his own company named Barnes. So I'll be putting that link in my description or in that post which I'm putting this video to. So please check his company. He's doing very well with the bamboo thing. He's creating some bamboo craft items, and he has created a toothbrush of bamboo also. So it's a very creative thing to do. So please appreciate and please like and follow his page also. And we are now going to cut that bunch of grape, and I'm going to hand it over to him. So finally Chandan wants to have that. He wants 2 bunch, and I'm just trying to convince him to give 1 bunch only, but he just wants 2 bunch. Why is it wanting 2 bunch?
I want 2 bunches. And I am going to take those 2 bunches from him.
we have just managed this thing to 1 bunch and 1/2 of the bunch. So now I'm going to pluck that bunch and give it to him. So just watch it, this video happening. Take this. So this is the bunch. I'm just trying to. So here we go. So
Yay!
Here is that bunch. Now I'm giving this to Chandan. I'm so sorry other people who have asked me. I'm so sorry. He came first. That's why I'm giving him first. Please.
First comes first serve.
Have it.
Thank you.
So the 1 bunch I have already given to him. This is another bunch which we have going to cut. The half only. Not I'm going to give him the whole bunch, because some of you people have asked me, so I have kept it safely.
I will cut 2 threads.
So here we go. One second. So yeah, go on. I guess
It's very tricky.
it's very tricky. So finally Chandan is going to cut that bunch. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, done. Finally. The young entrepreneur has made it. Finally. We are making this video just for fun, and you people, thank you for supporting us, and please support my friend also. Guys, one more thing I want to say, that Chandan has bought some mangoes for me from his home garden. So we are going to just check it, see how beautiful they are. See, Chandan has, show me those mangoes. Like, see, he has bought
bunch of mangoes.
so much of mangoes he has bought. So many number of some mangoes. Let's see it like this. Yes,
Very, very, very sweet.
very sweet.
Delicious.
Can you keep somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay. How many are there in numbers? We don't know, but the mangoes,
20 nearly.
nearly 20 or 23 mangoes he has bought for me, and for the we are exchanging 20 and 23 mangoes with 1.5 bunch of grapes. That this kind of business is so. Guys, thank you so much for showing so much of patience and watching this video till now. I just want to reveal you something. These are the products which my friend Chandan has made from his own company. Like, he has made a bamboo toothbrush of it. You might have heard about it. Like, he has made some rakhis also before. So just cheer him up and let's see the products that he has brought now. Yeah, Chandan.
Hi guys. These are the bamboo toothbrushes we have just launched, and we have 3 variants currently. This is natural bristles, means it is made out of bamboo bristle and the bamboo handle. This is charcoal bristle. It is very soft, very, very, very soft, that we are getting feedback from our customers as well. And this is neem toothbrush, and we have launched at very affordable cost, like 30 rupees, 50 rupees and 70 rupees. You can just ping me on WhatsApp or our page Barnes1919, and you can see it like this. So those are 3 variants.
These are so cool, man. Like, seriously. So he's having this online shop also. You can order them online also. You can just go to his page, Barnes1919 on Instagram. I'll putting his page description in link in the description. People, I hope you must have enjoyed this small vlog. and this information which we have given in this blog is very informative. Please support him and check his products on his website or on his Instagram page. Chikula काय म्हणतात English? Sorry, cut. We will be saying it Chiku only because we didn't find any good name for it. Okay, so he's trying to pluck it from the tree. So let's see how it goes. हाँ
मी तोडतोय.
हा घे चांगल्याने कर पहा नाही तर तोडशील मोठा वाला तोड जो चांगल्याने झालेला आहे नाहीतर मग झाला दुसरा वाला तर मग कसं झाला Why am I speaking in Marathi? Okay, it goes natural way. Fine. We're trying to make this video premium, but how it goes in our mother tongue, you also understand. Why it is happening so much? See the struggle of an entrepreneur. Like seriously, this much of struggle he haven't done in his whole lifetime. Finally the ball in his court now. And quite nice kind of so now we are done with the Chiku and he's trying his best on sweet lime. So let's see how he's going to do it. I want to make this vlog a little funny, but it's going in a very normal way. So here you go. Here he goes. I guess we are trying to pull it properly and okay, fine. Good. Is it ripe? No. Yes. Quite ripe. I guess you should pluck all the ripe, or you are thinking those who are ripe, those all sweet lemons now. Sweet limes now. Please don't put your legs on such plants for which I will be murdered from my parents.
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I care a lot about that. Okay, so we are done.
So guys, we are done with the vlogging thing. Me and Chandan, we had a good time now.
Yeah.
In this lockdown, we want to make a jamming. We want to do a jamming session, and from long time we are planning this. And if we are getting time, we will be soon uploading a vlog on a jamming session. Right?
Yeah, I have a Instagram page on the name of Chandan King.
Yeah, in which he has put some videos also. Go and check those videos. They are literally heart touching. Now we are going to take some photographs and then he will be going back. So let's see what we can do in next vlog. Bye.
Bye.